Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tom Caldwell, and my website is tomcaldwellonline.com, where you learn how to make money online and without wasting time and money. Let's get right into today's video, which is entitled, Who is Tom Caldwell? Okay, here we go. We're on my website, tomcaldwellonline.com, and we're going to click on Who is Tom Caldwell. So here you see a picture of me, and I have a little bio here, which starts out like this. Welcome to TomCaldwellOnline.com. The sole purpose of this website is to help you make money online and save you a ton of money in the process. In order to do this, I will share with you the event that changed my life. This event enabled me to finally earn money online after years of frustration and struggle. Maybe you can relate to my story. Hello, my name's Tom Caldwell. That is my picture above, right there. And I am a real person who lives in Texas, USA. I am married, and my wife and I have 3 adult children and 5 grandchildren. I enjoy camping, kayaking, and fishing. I still work full-time as a grocer, and I make a part-time income as an online marketer. Here is a picture of my wife and 4 of our grandchildren and myself. When this picture was taken, our youngest granddaughter had not been born yet. So as you can see, that's me, my wife, our oldest granddaughter, Layla. There's Grayson, Colton, and Wyatt. Maybe you can relate to my dream. I have always had a dream of building a business of my own that would generate sufficient income for me to one day quit my job. This business would need to generate plenty of money to pay the bills, save for emergencies, provide the extras in life, and allow me to invest for retirement. My dream includes spending more time with family and enjoying my hobbies where and when I feel like. Maybe you can relate to my struggle. For years, I struggled to figure out how to make money online. I continuously bought courses, training, and products and software from the internet gurus. The gurus always promised to teach me a secret method that would eventually make me rich. But the truth is, the gurus really don't want you to learn how to make money online. Because if they did, if they told you how to make money online, there would be no need for you to continually buy more and more products, training, and courses from them. I wasted thousands of dollars and hundreds of hours and never made a dime. Then one fateful day, I received an email from this fellow named Paul. Paul and I were once distributors in a nutritional product company. The nutritional company eventually went out of business, and Paul and I went our separate ways. In this email, Paul told me that he and a friend named Mike had figured out how to make money online and were teaching people the truth about making money online. They pulled out all the stops and offer a step-by-step plan of action. This plan of action will allow anyone with internet access and the ability to send emails to earn money online. It sounds too good to be true, I know, but I do know that Paul is an honest person. I know Paul has always wanted to help people like me and you generate income from a home-based business. Income that can provide the time, money, and freedom to make our dreams come true. Think about it. Think about that. What are your goals and dreams? Do you want to spend more time with your family? Would you like to travel? Do you have hobbies that you would like to pursue? What is your ideal home? Or how much money would you like to earn? The good news is, just like I have found out, I took a chance and joined Paul, Mike, and a bunch of like-minded people. We are now earning money online. And the good news is you can too. You can earn money online using the same step-by-step plan that beginners and experienced marketers are successfully using to generate multiple streams of income. Streams of income that you can use to make your goals and dreams come true, like Roberto P. and Tracy T., who are now earning extra money in addition to what they are now doing. Here's a picture of Roberto T, and he's got a big thumbs up. Roberto P says, the step-by-step plan that Tom shared with me has allowed me to earn online income. Thank you, Tom, for introducing me to this additional income stream. Here's a picture of Tracy T. She's a yoga instructor, and she says, I have been using the step-by-step instructions that Tom introduced me to. It has allowed me to put my yoga studio online, and I am so pleased with the additional business that the online presence generated. So, if you have a burning desire to make money online, then you need the step-by-step plan and my bonus pack. My bonus pack includes 5 training videos that reveal how to generate traffic, turn your traffic into leads, and convert the leads into sales. Bonus number 1 is entitled Get Your Share of the Medium.com traffic. Bonus number 2 is Get Views and Clicks using traffic from Listly. Bonus number 3, Drive traffic to your blog or affiliate offer using Scoop.com traffic. Bonus number 4 is entitled Quora.com Traffic Training Number 1, Part 1. Bonus number 5 is Quora.com Traffic Training Part 2. So click this button below to get your free step-by-step make money online method and my bonus pack. You just click right here and it takes you to the step-by-step plan. So I invite you to get started today, and you will not regret it, I guarantee you. And I will leave a link in the description below this video so that you can click on it and download your step-by-step plan. That's it for today, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.